Why does Bitcoin have value? Coming to you from Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency and Investing, straightforward explanations, and a step by step investment plan. So, why does Bitcoin have value? Well, it's a hard money currency. People agree it has value, and it has a limited supply. This is not investment advice. Currencies have value because they can function as a store of value and a unit of exchange. They also demonstrate attributes enabling their use in an economy. The definition of value in a currency has changed over the centuries from physical attributes to the velocity of its use in an economy. Bitcoin demonstrates the attributes for currency, but its main source of value lies in its restricted supply and its increasing demand. If the price of one Bitcoin were to reach $514,000, Bitcoin's market capitalization would reach approximately 15% of the global currency market, and that would place it between the Japanese yen and the British pound, based on Statista's 2019 currencies. So there are six attributes of currency. First is scarcity. It has to have a limited supply, not never ending. It needs to be divisible. So $100 bills can get broken down into $10 bills, and bigger Bitcoins can be reduced into Satoshis. It must be acceptable. People want to take the currency that you have. And then it needs to be portable. It's hard to carry a house around in your pocket or push a wheelbarrow full of gold or coal. It needs to be able to last over time and with use. And it also needs to be recognizable. So when a Bitcoin wallet sees a Bitcoin, it knows it's a Bitcoin and not a different digital currency or digital asset. Just like if somebody hands you a $100 bill, you recognize it as a $100 bill. Now, it does have multiple use cases. It is super difficult to counterfeit and it maintains its value over time and, in fact, increases substantially. Now, minted currencies arrived after commodities and were backed by physical collateral such as gold reserves, but no longer is that true. Government issued money is easier to transact with than using gold or other commodities because it's lighter to carry and the value of the note is evident because it's printed. Paper cash needs to be manufactured and requires storage. Bitcoin is an improvement overall. It has better functionality, faster transaction speed, and improved mobility. Now, Bitcoin is decentralized, and that means it wasn't created by a government or a corporation, and it doesn't require a bank to use. Similar to gold, Bitcoins are scarce and in limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and the scarcity and increasing demand have an impact on its value. So, as time goes by, the demand goes up, supply comes down, and that raises the value of a Bitcoin. Now, traders are going after the profits of trading on Bitcoin's limited supply. And if you didn't know, Bitcoin was the highest performing asset of the last decade. It beat out gold, it beat out any other stock on the market, and, well, it was just the best. Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency and Investing. If you're interested in getting a copy and learning more about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and how to start investing, you can pick up a copy by clicking on the link in the description below.